Good morning, my name is Sean Gerdeman with Unverferth Manufacturing. I'm product manager for the company, and we're at the National Farm Machinery Show in 2019. It's been a great show so far. We are pleased to introduce our new product. It's a cover crop seeder that is mounted on our Rolling Harrow product line. It's a new innovation that we've introduced, and we've done field testing the last 2 falls with great success. The concept is an air seeder with air delivery, which applies the seed ahead of the rolling baskets. And the benefit of using a rolling harrow is it doesn't take much horsepower. You can go very fast, up to 10 miles per hour. We can achieve a multitude of seeding rates, a multitude of varieties of cover crops. The hopper holds 32 bushel. It's got a hydraulically driven rate control system. You can turn it on and off from the tractor cab. The beauty of a rolling harrow with a cover crop is, like I said, high speed, and the baskets that we have, the basket technology enables good seed to soil contact, and we have these available for 2019 in sizes up to 37 feet. So we'd be happy to show you the product line, and thank you for your attention.